Hello and welcome to everyone. I'm Gianluca Caracino, live from the CAREL booth at the Childrenza 2024 trade show. Today I'm thrilled to introduce one of CAREL's most advanced solutions specifically designed for food retail application, the new MPXPRO, a high-performing, reliable and outstanding controller developed to meet both current and future market demands for high-end plug-in units, remote showcases and cold rooms. Some of its standout features includes comprehensive energy monitoring through built-in current sensor, allowing for load consumption measurement and immediate failure detection, universal valve driver management capable of controlling both stepper and PWM valves in a unique part number, reducing the need to stock extra or multiple SKUs, and a modular approach, which enables combining modules that can improve system performance, as it is shown here through the cross-net device, which can improve system performance. These features come together with a refreshed design and the ultimate wireless technology, NFC and Bluetooth, extending the traditional use of the display and simplifying real-time interaction with your unit directly from your mobile device. To learn more about the new MPXPRO and how it can optimize your refrigeration equipment, please reach out to our team of experts. Whether you're focused on energy saving or enhancing your system performance, CAREL is committed to providing reliable, cutting-edge technologies tailored to your needs. Thank you for watching and see you soon.